This is very interesting, yet very simple to use. We are going to talk about left function as well as search function here into this clip. So I have a good example. If I'll simply go to the calendar table, you will notice that we have the list of all the month, right? I am going to create a new column in the name of short month, which will give me the first three characters of the month name. So I am going to click on the new column here, and coming up, coming up. Right. So I'll say short, one second, short month is equals to, I need the first three characters from the left hand side of the text. So I'll say left, there I go. What is going to be my text? Text is the month name. So if you see, I have the month name column appearing. So that's month name. Comma, how many number of characters that you are looking for? I would be looking for three characters. Three characters from the left hand side. That is what my requirement is right now. I will close down the parenthesis, enter. So similar way, you can also use right function. You need to take out something from the right hand side of the text. You're going to use right and just mention the number of characters over there. Now this is very simple, very straightforward. Let me tell you, you may ask this question that why we are creating this short month. You know, later on we will be creating a slicer in the name of month. Now if we have this lengthy name, it takes much of a space in the visualizations later on into our canvas, because the canvas is a very limited space we have. So we have to save some space. So better we should be having some short names. It will become easier for us to show and accommodate most of the things there into the canvas, right? So that's why I'm using the left function, and I've got the first three characters out of that month name. Similarly, you can try yourself by keeping a short day also. You can try it. I'm not doing that. You can try it yourself. And let me just move on to customers table to show you another example, because here we knew that the first three characters we were looking for, but what if the number of characters are dynamic? Look at that. In this case, let me just check once. Although I have a username column with me, I'm going to, although this we created into Power Query, if you remember. Now we'll be creating the same using a dex function, okay, which is going to be the left function only. If you see from the email address, we have to take out the username, and I'm just going with the new column. And in this new column, I am just saying user underscore name, right? Username, because username as the same word is already appearing in our different column, which I don't want to clash. So user underscore name, and then we'll say left for sure. Left, and what is going to be my text? Text is coming up from our email address column. So I'm just selecting the email address for sure, comma, from the email address column, how many number of characters you are looking for, because over here if you see, these are uneven number of characters. Names do not have the same number of characters, so we want to mention it somehow. I don't know whether it is 3, 4, 2, 5, 8, 9, whatever, I don't know. So but one thing I can surely say, that something just before at symbol is something I'm looking for. Now I'm going to use the magic of search option, search function. So I'll simply say search. So what search will do, it will give me the position. Can you see, returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. I can also use find function here, but that is case sensitive. Here search is something which is not case sensitive. So that is the difference between find and search option, search function. I'm just opening it up, and with the help of the search function, I'll be able to know the position of at. So what I'm going to say, I need everything till at. That is what I'm trying to do over here. So this way I'm making it dynamic. Find text. What text I need to find? It's going to be at icon, right? At symbol. So double quotes, at double quotes. This is what I'm looking for, comma. Within text, where I'm looking this at in our email address column. So I'll simply say email address, and that's it. I'm just going to close the bracket here, right? So this particular calculation will give me the position of at. Now look at this, very interesting. Over here, the position of at is what? Julio 1 at. It means if I count the number of characters, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this search function will give me 7 as the number. So it means this left will pick up 7 characters from the left. And you know, in this 7 characters, at is also coming. I don't want at. Okay. So I also need to say -1. I am not doing it right now because I just want to go slow and I want to show you the outcome first. Then you will automatically realize the need of putting -1. So I've done it, and now you'll see the username is here along with the at symbol. This is what I mentioned earlier. So I'll come here and I simply say -1. It means 7 minus 1. It means number of characters till at -1 character, which is actually at. So it's going to pick up the 6 characters from the left hand side, and that is something I am actually looking for. And let me also drag my face cam, and you will notice over here we have the right type of username. If you match it with this particular column, you will get the same results. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you're going to use this functions. I am not talking about each and every similar functions that you need to try yourself. So we discussed about left. You can also try right function by yourself. I've discussed about search function. You can also try find function. The only thing is that find function is case sensitive, right? Thank you so much.